I am back for a part 2 of my unboxing video of my Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom toys. I'm sorry it took me so long to open up a couple of them. So, well, I got a few of them out. The Velociraptor, the battle, what's this one? Not the battle damage. It's not. Same Velociraptor. Now this one's the battle damage. These are really awesome to have. I highly recommend these toys. Thanks to Metal. Metal has done an amazing job on these toys. A big shout out to you guys. Thank you, Metal, for making these Jurassic World toys. I appreciate them very much. Now, let's do these other unboxing videos. Not the unboxing videos, the unboxing. Sorry about that, but let's get started on these part 2. Sometimes it takes a while to get open and sometimes it doesn't. Hang on, guys. Now this did not take long to open. Yes, this is Blue, favorite Velociraptor character from the Jurassic World movie. This is the battle damage Blue. Awesome toy to have. And yes, the joints are movable as well. It is movable. Mouth is pretty cool. Once again, Metal, I appreciate you guys making these awesome toys. Thank you so much. Alright, the next two is this one. So this one shouldn't take as long. Give me 1 second. Those. This guy's pretty cool. Hang on, guys, I'm sorry for the long delay. Bear with me. But anyway, here's what this guy would sound like. Pretty awesome. But enough with this one. I'm gonna get the Carnotaur open up the box. And I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs I'm doing. Now the Carnotaur did not take me that long. Alright. Got them open. Here we go, guys. Little chomping action figure of the Carnotaur. Awesome toy. Now this is the one I've been looking for a while. So I'm very thrilled to have this guy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 unboxing video. Please remember to strike that like button. Please turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you fam later. Have an awesome Sunday for you guys. And please remember to strike that like button. Thank you guys.